Looking to declutter and maximize space in your home? Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious house, finding efficient storage solutions can make a world of difference. Here are 3 DIY storage ideas you'll love that are both practical and stylish. First, upcycle old furniture into unique storage pieces. This not only saves money, but also adds a personal touch to your decor. For example, turn a vintage ladder into shelves for books, plants, or decorative items. Or repurpose an old dresser into chic shoe racks, perfect for keeping your footwear organized and easily accessible. Second, try hidden storage hacks for small spaces. These clever solutions can help you make the most of every inch of your home. Consider building pull-out drawers under your bed to store linens, clothes, or other items you want to keep out of sight. Another great idea is using ottomans with built-in compartments, which can double as seating and storage. Finally, keep your workspace tidy with DIY desk organizers. A clutter-free desk can boost productivity and creativity. Create pen holders from mason jars to keep your pens and pencils in order. Or use cardboard to craft custom drawer dividers, ensuring every item has its place. With a little creativity and effort, organizing can be both fun and stylish. Transform your space today and enjoy the benefits of a well-organized home.